Hey geniuses! Welcome back to our channel Quizzing IQ. What kind of girl are you? Are you a girly girl, a baddie, a tomboy, or a goth girl? Discover your type with this fun personality quiz. Keep track of your points and check your result at the end. Let's begin. First, choose your outfit. Pick the outfit you would love to wear. Will it be casual style or the one that gives you K-pop idol vibes? Or is it going to be that cool girl vibe? Keep noting your points as we move along. Choose your bedroom. Which of these bedrooms would you want to have? One that gives starry vibes or one that makes it feel like you are a cool boss matching your vibes? Choose your hairstyle. Select the one you like the most. Is it going to be an elegant messy bun or a cute simple ponytail or that cool girl hairstyle? Choose your luxury vehicle. Which one is your favorite? Is it going to be sleek, black, modern car that gives you that rich and CEO vibe? Or is it going to be a cool motorcycle that roars power? Choose your house. Which house would you love to live in? Is it going to be on hills surrounded with nature but modern? Or an elegant black themed house away from city? Or a dreamy house under the water modern house? Choose your shoes. Which style suits you the best? Boots with heels in black or cute ones, or the elegant nude heels to pair with your elegant dresses, or the black ones perfect for your skirts? Choose your dog type. Let's pick one. Will it be a Pomeranian, a French Bulldog, a Husky, or a German Shepherd? Choose your school outfit. Which one would you prefer to wear to school? The black and white main character vibe uniform? Or a mafioso lady straight out of a manga? Or an outfit that makes you feel like a fighter? Interesting, right? Now let's choose your hobby. What hobby do you enjoy the most? Playing video games with friends? Making TikTok videos with siblings? Working out? Or drawing or sketching? Choose your movie night. Are you watching Avatar tonight? Or Marvel's Avengers? Conjuring? Or The Lion King? Now let's think of rewatching Conjuring. Which one are you watching? Choose your perfect weekend. What do you like the most? Shopping with friends, playing badminton, chilling in Netflix, or video gaming? Now choose your drink. What's your tasty and refreshing pick? It is going to be an energy drink like Red Bull, or a colorful yummy mojito, or a fruit smoothie with ice cream on top? Choose your accessory. Which one do you like the most? Elegant YSL gold bracelets, a simple but elegant gold necklace, or diamond rings or earrings? Choose your favorite singer. Whose concert do you wish to attend? Will it be my favorite Taylor Swift, or Justin Bieber, or Sabrina Carpenter, or Shawn Mendes? Choose your nails. Which one is closest to your current style? A mono brown or an elegant ocean vibe art style? Or peachy nude, simple but elegant and go to style? Choose your bag. Pick the style you would own. Will it be simple and big enough to carry more stuff? Or a cute small white bag? Or a more versatile black one? Or elegant brown shade? Choose your cell phone case. What do you own? One that gives you blue mermaid vibes? Or white one like a princess? Or a cuteness overloaded pet case or a bow tie? Choose your dessert. Which one are you picking for your sweet tooth? An Oreo cake? Or a chocolate milkshake? Or a choco brownie with ice cream on top? My sweet tooth is craving these. Does yours too? Moving on to next. Choose your favorite season. Do you prefer spring, when you can shine with nature and play with colors? Or winter, or fall, or summer? Choose your snacks. Which one would you go for? Chips, kurkure, or yummy juicy momos, or spicy fries? Well, I'm getting hungrier by the time. Hopefully you are too. But don't leave the video in middle and go to eat. Stop with me, buddy. Choose your jacket. Which one do you like the most? A crop white jacket or brown one that you can style many ways? Or a fitted one, or the varsity style bomber jacket? Choose your favorite school subject. Would you pick gym class where you like to burn it out? Or a business class for a smarty? Or an art class or music class for our young talents? Now choose your makeup style. Do you like it soft and minimal? Or one that gives you baddie and bold vibes? Or one that is elegant for our ladies? Choose your sneakers. Which pair is your favorite? The black baddie boots? Or in cool white? Or my favorite cool sporty sneakers that are very versatile and comfy? Choose your living room. Which one matches your vibe? A soft, comfy and modern living room? Or one with starry lights as if you're under the sky full of shining stars? Or that jaw-dropping dark gold themed one? Choose your bracelet. If you could have one, which would you like to choose? Set of gold and elegant YSL bracelets? Or minimalistic office perfect one? Or a cute diamond one? Choose your pick. Now choose your bed pillow. Which one would you keep on your bed? A cute boba tea pillow to cuddle? Or cute soft heart-shaped? Or the huge ones? Or those cute cushion pillows? Choose your relaxed look. How would you dress while relaxing but slaying? Cute t-shirt and jeans? Or effortless halter neck top and jeans for that girly girl? Or that baggy tomboyish outfit? Choose your relaxed room now. A dreamy starry blue themed cinema room? Or relaxing space and balcony watching the sunset? How pretty, right? Or where you can relax and dive into your favorite books or works in peace like me? Choose your sofa. Which style do you like the most? The one that makes you feel like you are a princess in her palace? Or the ones that make you feel like the lady ruling the world sipping wine on her expensive dark sofa? Now add up your total points. If you scored 30 to 52 points, you are a girly girl. You are sweet, stylish, and full of positive energy. You love cute vibes, soft colors, and everything pretty. If you scored 53 to 75 points, you are a baddie. You are confident and fashion-forward. You know what you want and own every room you enter. If you scored 76 to 98 points, you are a tomboy. You are chill, sporty, and easygoing. You enjoy comfort, fun, and keeping things real. If you scored 99 to 120 points, you are a goth girl. You are creative, expressive, and beautifully mysterious. You embrace dark styles and unique vibes. Tell me in comments which type you got and whether you agree with it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed it and want to see more. Thanks for playing. Pick your next challenge.